Sage Intacct is a world-class cloud accounting solution. It allows users to consolidate multiple entities, currencies, and geographies within minutes. Users can transact at the top level across all legal entities, facilitating a shared service center approach, or can transact from within the company itself. When doing so, they only see the data and transactions relating to the company that they are in. All dashboards are pre-filtered. To go into another company, just select from the top level, and you can see that we've got some color coordination here, clearly identifying which company you're in. I'm signed on as the CFO, and as the CFO, I can see general expenses on my dashboard, revenue, operating cash flow, and profit margin with some KPIs here. I can filter that for one company, see how they're performing, and then instantly take another look at a different company. Whenever I'm seeing data on the screen in forms of a KPI, key performance indicator, or report, I have the ability to drill down into the detail. So you can see here I'm scrolling down and I can see that within my operating expenses, general expenses, that my UK entertainment is quite high. So single click just takes me into the detail and into the invoice, and I can instantly open up the PDF. Users can have more than one dashboard. On my favorites here, I have a number of shortcuts to a number of different dashboards. This one is showing me financial performance. I can aggregate the results and look at multiple companies, or just apply an individual company or compare it to another. I can also have different areas as well, such as projects. So you can see here I'm looking at service revenue, deferred revenue, project margin, even billable hours. You can see more than financial information. Sage Intacct allows you to set up both general ledger and statistical accounts, which can be used for KPI reporting or in financial reports. The chart of accounts is user-defined and uses a combination of account codes and analytical dimensions. Users can drill through multiple levels of account groups, then across into dimensions. In this sales account here, I've only attached the dimensions which are relevant: location, project, customer, and item. In comparison, if I look at my balance sheet, I probably wouldn't want that level of analysis. So in this instance, I've only attached one dimension, which is the location. Sage Intacct only allows you to attach the dimensions which are relevant and need to be reported upon. Sage Intacct allows you to set up groups of accounts and groups of dimensions to allow hierarchical drill downs in financial reports, graphs, and KPIs. You can see here we've got a lot of different account groups. Account groups can call accounts or groups within groups, as you're seeing here. So I've got one called assets, and I'm calling current assets, fixed assets, and so on. They may be subgroups in their own right or call ranges of accounts. And this is exactly the same for dimensions. When using Sage Intacct account dimensions, the possibilities are endless. Here is an example of a revenue trend report using multiple dimensional hierarchies, operation locations, industry, services, PM, and tasks. We are displaying many different dimension groups and many different dimension types in a single report. We also have drill down into the detail, so we can open up ranges of service codes or ranges of customer accounts.